Hi guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, we know that recently the POCO launches the mobile phone M2 Pro in India, so which was very good and good success. So like that today finally the wait is over. I mean the POCO launches the another variant. It's called POCO M2. So whereas guys in this video let's talk about whether this mobile phone is value for the money or not. So by the way, this is TSM from MediaTek.
Hi everyone, please subscribe this MediaTek channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
So guys, as usual, if you're talking about the build quality on the display as well as the first, so it comes with 6.53 inches. It's a Full HD plus display. So the thing is guys, it comes with resolution at 1080 to 2340 pixel resolution at 395 ppi, and also the company advertised it comes with 400 nits brightness level. Suppose if that is true, this particular mobile phone comes with 400 nits brightness level, then we can say definitely this mobile phone was very good in the outdoor lighting condition. I mean the visibility of the screen was very good if it is really comes with 400 nits brightness level. And also guys, the another thing in this mobile phone is it's the display type is IPS LCD. And also one thing about the build quality, it was good. At the front side comes with a Gorilla Glass sheet protection, so no comments about that. So the back side's plastic body and polycarbonate usually, and also the side frame also plastic frame. The thing is guys, I was little bit disappointed somewhat about the weight. The weight of the mobile was absolutely around 200 grams, which is about 198 grams, just 2 grams less than 200 grams. So whatever it may be, was not good. 6.53 inches IPS LCD. So in this type of configuration we have seen the different brands with less weight, but whereas this mobile phone, I feel personally weight was not good. So like this mobile phone was certified with PTF protection. We know that it was designed for splash-proof resistance and sudden raindrops when we are outside. Then we no need to worry about the mobile phone. But keep in mind, the company will claim like that, but it's better to hide the mobile from the water. And also the back side comes with a two-tone pattern, which means it was a very comfortable, grippy, and also anti-fingerprints. So that's the good thing really. Nowadays we have purchasing the mobile phone. Even I have purchased this one, OnePlus Nord. So this mobile phone without the guard also, I mean right now I have applied the case. So without the case also, the mobile phone can easily get the fingerprints. But whereas this mobile phone comes in the market with anti-fingerprint, that's the good thing. So like that, it's time to talk about the platform. So guys, this mobile phone was coming in the market with Android 10, and also as usual it comes with the MIUI 11. So and also guys, it's the processor they used in this M2 comes with the MediaTek family. It's a Helio G80 processor, so which was built with a 12 nanometer architecture. So we know that the processor which was built with 12 nanometer architecture was consumes the power little bit and also a little bit of high in thermal management. So no need to worry, it was normal. But thing is, it comes with octa-core processor guys, so 8 cores was there, and also they uses the Mali G52 GPU. And also guys, if you look at the clock speed of the GPU, 970 megahertz. So that's the great thing really, we need to appreciate. And also they use the technology Hyper Engine technology for gaming purpose. So guys, according to my opinion, the combination of Realme software optimization along with the Pro G80, so with the Mali G52 970 megahertz speed I told you, so it's a good gaming was very good in this processor, definitely I wish. So like that guys, it's time to talk about the camera department. We know that nowadays camera was one of the special centric attraction. So guys, as usual, this mobile phone at the back side comes with quad cam setup. The primary camera is 13 megapixel for wide, we know that, and secondary camera is for ultra wide. They use the 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel for the macro and 2 megapixel for the depth sensor. And also we can able to record the video 1080 at 30 frames per second. That's about the camera. And if you're talking about the front side camera, so the front side comes with a single cam, I mean not dual camera, it's a single camera only. It's 8 megapixel. As usual, we can able to shoot the 1080 or 30 frames per second with the front facing camera. The thing is guys, in camera department, I don't like to comment anything, but do you think that giving 5 megapixel for macro is necessary? Usually in this price budget, many mobiles gives us 2 megapixel like that only, but whereas this mobile phone comes with 5 megapixel for the macro. That's the good thing, but in reality how many of the people you guys use the macro shots? I don't know. So it's time to talk about the country department. This mobile phone comes with Wi-Fi dual band support. So which means guys, we can easily connect the 2.4 GHz band as well as the 5 GHz, and Wi-Fi direct was enabled, hotspot was enabled, Bluetooth version 5.0 was there, GPS was there, infrared at the front side was available in this mobile phone. So like that, 3.5 mm jack also available. The interesting thing here is USB port. I like it because nowadays most of the mobile phones are releasing in the market with USB 2.0. So that's not good, because in my home every mobile phone was supported a USB Type-C charger. So anyhow, this POCO M2 was releasing in the market with Type-C port. That's the interesting thing. I like it. So well guys, it's time to talk about the sensors. It's one of the important before choosing the mobile phones. So guys, as usual, this mobile phone comes with a fingerprint reader, but it was at the back, so rear side fingerprint reader, accelerometer sensor was available, gyroscope sensor, proximity sensor, and also they're adding the compass sensor also. So for the people who are doing the civil engineering works, and also who doing lot of the traveling from one place to new locations, definitely those people will use this compass sensor. So definitely this mobile phone has it. So guys, it's time to talk about the battery department. So guys, the thing is, this mobile phone comes with 5000 mAh battery along with the 18 watt supporting charger. That's impressive because I want thankful to the company. They did not give the 10 watts, they given here 18 watts fast charging support charger. That's the great thing. And also guys, there was a company also offering us a few battery modes. They are power saving mode, dynamic power, background application, optimization, and also smart task allocation. So I mean, the company giving us some programs. So using those programs, we can extend the battery life by disabling the unnecessary running applications like that. The last but not the least, the thing is guys, finally it's time to talk about the RAM and the storage department now. So guys, this mobile phone was available in India, two variants. So the base variant is 6GB RAM with 64GB at a price around 10,999 rupees. The second variant is 6GB RAM with 128GB at cost around 12,499 rupees. Whereas guys, this mobile phone was going to available in the three different colors. So whereas the black color and the red and final one is the blue. So guys, just do me a favor, I just want to know your opinion, which was your favorite color among these three colors. So finally guys, the thing is, this mobile phone comes with the processor MediaTek Helio G80. So if you look at the competitor, whereas the other brand, I mean Realme Narzo, I know that most of the people was aware about the Narzo series, but whereas the Realme Narzo 10 also comes with the same processor. But if you look at the Antutu score of the POCO M2, it can score around 2,06,537 points, whereas the Realme Narzo 10 can able to score around 2,01,278 points. So I have seen that there was a lot of variation between the scores, whereas the same processor, both was released in the market, but due to the software optimization and due to the RAM especially they use in this POCO M2, and also they use the powerful GPU, so due to that we have seen there was a lot of variation in the Antutu scores. So guys, before ending this video, the thing is, this mobile phone very soon releasing the MIUI 12 update, and also one of the highlight of the show is this mobile phone was completely free from the ads. We know that the POCO is the brand like a baby for the Xiaomi MI brands, but the thing is, this mobile phone was completely free from the ads. Really, that's the great and good move for the company. And also they are offering some cashback up to 750 by using the ICICI and Federal Bank. So if you have those bank facilities, then I wish you can use that banks and you can get discount up to 750. So finally, the first sale was going to happen in the September 15, 12 p.m. onwards on the Flipkart. So guys, I like it very well. If you utilize the offer 750 cashback, then definitely you can look at these mobile phones. Otherwise, it's better to skip it and look for the other mobile phone, because almost the same specification was available in the Redmi 9 Prime, which was available at the 10,000 rupees. So that was more valuable in my opinion. Anyhow guys, you have to think once and you have to take a decision. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.